So today I'm just checking out a new microphone position for our new microphone position. Well, I suppose it is a new mic. There's a mic on the GoPro. I'm checking out a new position for a camera for the GoPro. So I seen the MCN guys, when they test review bikes, they always have a camera kind of mounted at the back under the rear cowl, looking at the shock. So I decided to give it a go myself. So I've mounted a GoPro under the cowl. I would imagine they have an awful lot much superior mounting equipment. I have a funny feeling my GoPro camera is going to be shaking around a little bit, but apart from that it should be okay. So I'm just going to quick spin up to Holt, just to see what it's like in a couple of bendies, and then I'm going to come back down and obviously edit it and upload it. It's going to be a nice kind of check on the exhaust as well, or a nice video with the exhaust, hopefully with the sound too, because I fitted a Pro Race exhaust to this bike a couple of months ago, and I haven't actually got any kind of good videos of it with the noise, you know, and that's mostly down to the fact that the weather's been crap and I haven't had time. But it's actually a nice day today, so I said I'd quickly go out before the IKEA man gets to the house with a desk. And by IKEA man, I mean the grumpy bike wizard, to give this thing a quick test. So we're just coming up to Sutton now. So we're kind of checking two things at once here, I suppose. We're checking for new camera, cool camera angles, and awesome exhaust noise. I sure hope that GoPro's recording. I tried this earlier and the GoPro actually failed on me again. I'm tired of it failing. I actually have a spare GoPro with me just in case this one fails, because I am sick of GoPros just stopping working for no reason. I think earlier on the failure was due to a battery pack that was on the back, which is just confusing the GoPro for some reason. It kind of entered a hung state, so I said no, not going to do that again. So I took that battery pack off and put it in the bin. I won't be using it again. I'd love to be able to get some kind of seriously powerful GoPro batteries, you know, like I think the standard ones are 3500 milliamp. Get like a maybe, you know, 4,000 or 5,000 milliamp one, which would give the GoPro a good bit of battery life. I was recording at 60 frames a second as well. I've been told that that kind of drains the battery too, 60 FPS, so I'm reduced it to 30. Look at this guy. Fuck's sake. Fucking beggars, man. I don't like beggars. I don't like them. Clearly is not homeless. This lad, Mr. Truck. I'm in a rush in my truck. Aubrey Landscaping. There's a nice little plug for your Aubrey Landscaping. And 2 wheels of Grainbow for your rapid overtaking maneuvers. Okay. So I'm kind of concerned about the mounting, to make sure it's mounted properly. I'm actually looking at the shadow. I don't know if you can see that, but I can see the shadow of the GoPro on the ground there, so I know it's still there. Hopefully it's still recording. Just wait till we get past these houses. Don't want to be an obnoxious fucker. This one's for the grumpy. Let's see if that mic's still recording. Mic test. What's he little 125-y job hammering, jobby job. I think that's that tested anyway. That's that. See if we can get a few pops and bangs out of it. Third seems to be good. Oh, bang. So for anybody wondering, the bike is a BMW S1000RR 2017 model. It's got a catalytic converter confitted, and the end can is a Pro Race end can, and that was supplied by prorace.co.uk. And the guy actually was brilliant. He was really sound. I bought it through eBay. I think he was closing up his eBay account and had a couple of eBay stock things that he wanted gone, so I actually managed to get it at a good discount, and I'm very, very happy with it. The noise is nice out of it. The bike has since been serviced by Joe Duffy BMW, and they've confirmed that there's the bike isn't running lean or rich or anything like that with the end can on. So yeah, happy days. Everything's worked out well, which is very strange for me on a bike, because usually stuff, when I try one thing, it means I actually have to replace, you know, X amount of other things, X being a number greater than 10, which is usually a serious pain in the stones. But yeah, this has actually worked out quite well so far, so yeah, I'm very happy. Look at that. Gorge. But exhaust camera is still on. Yep, still there. You can see it in the shadow.